In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install uBlock Origin Lite to Safari on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is to open the App Store. Once we've done this, you want to select the search icon in the bottom right, and you want to search for uBlock Origin Lite. Once we've done this, it should be the top result, which will look like this. Now you want to go ahead and click the Get button to download it. However, mine shows the Cloud button because I've downloaded this in the past. Once uBlock Origin Lite has been downloaded, we can exit out of the App Store, and now we just need to go ahead and enable it for Safari. So to do this, we need to open the Settings application, and then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and find Apps and tap into that. Now you want to find Safari, and once you've found it, you want to tap into that. Now you want to scroll down until you find Extensions and tap into that. Here you should see uBlock Origin Lite listed, and you want to tap into that. Now you simply want to enable Allow Extension, and if you'd like to do so, you can also allow it in private browsing as well. Now we've enabled the extension, the last thing we need to do is to give it permission to access all of the websites to block ads. So to do this, you want to scroll all the way down, and where it says all websites, you want to tap into that, or you want to select Allow. Now we can go back, and uBlock Origin should be working. So we can exit out of the Settings application, and now you want to open Safari, and then you want to go ahead and close the Safari application and reopen it. Once you've done this, uBlock Origin should now be working. So if you scroll through Tom's Hardware website, you can see that none of the adverts are showing. However, you can see here that there is a blank space for the advert. So you can fix that simply by reloading the web page. Alternatively, we can change the filtering type. So to do that, we want to exit out of the Safari application and open Settings. And then you want to go back to uBlock Origin, and once you're here, you want to select Settings. Now you can go ahead and change the filtering type. So for example, I'm going to select Complete. You can also change the filter list at the top here if you'd wish to do so. So now we've done this, you want to go back to Safari and go back to the web page, and you simply want to refresh it. Now if we scroll down, you should see that all of the adverts that were listed before have now disappeared, and we can start using Safari just as we normally would. You can also change the filtering type for individual websites by selecting the extension icon next to the URL, and then select uBlock Lite, and here you can change the filtering option from here. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like.